Good morning, students. In this video, you will know what is scenario and goal seek. Scenario creates and saves different groups of values on a worksheet and then switch to any of these new scenarios to view different results. It may be your best and the worst case. Suppose I have group of items and I want that if I will have 10% profit, then what will be my total profit? And there also I have one more scenario. If I would have taken 3% profit on each item, then what will be my projection of profit? Next one is the goal seek. This function is used to change the data in formula and analyze how it affects the end result. Like I deposited 5 lakh in Bank of Baroda. Okay. And I know that bank is giving 7% interest. Okay. So maybe for 1 year, maybe bank is giving some amount to me. Yes. And that is having your principal and the interest both together. But I want, if suppose this 5,000 which I have deposited in my Bank of Baroda, and I want to get, yes, 10,000 as the interest, then how much time I will give, yes, or I will deposit that money so that my 5,000 will become as 10,000. That's also, yes, a projection. You can get it in goal seek. Now, let me first go to the seat. Now, this is my seat. Okay. So first scenario I'm going to have. Okay. So for that, first of all, let me show you. This is my principal amount. This is the rate and time. Okay. And I want the simple interest. You all are knowing how to get the simple interest, PRT by 100. So here equal bracket, what is my principal amount? 5,000. This is in B1. B1 asterisk, B2 asterisk, B3, okay, and then divided by 100. So this is my simple interest. Okay, I want to have the 3 projection. Okay, that if my time is 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years, what will be my simple interest? So for doing this, first of all, you will select your cells. Without selection also you can do it. Okay, now after that you will go to tools. Now you will click on scenario. Now this is my first scenario, so I will write here FIRST. Now in the first scenario, what the time I'm going to give? 1 years. Okay. Now I want to see the border. That will be red color. No, red, not green. And then I will click on OK. Now this is my first year. Now I will again select this range of cells. I will go to tools and then I will click on scenario. Now next one, I want the second. Second will have time 2 years. What will be the border? Sign. And then OK. So here I will have 2 years. Okay. Third scenario, I will select this tools, scenario, Now, here I will go for the third, okay, in which I'm going to give the time 3 years and the border as blue, okay, and then okay, and here I will give 3 years. Now the 3 scenarios are there, first, second, and third. That already I saved. One by one, if I have to see, then how I will do it. I will click on this and I will choose first. First one is 1 year. Is it showing? 500 principal amount, rate 5, time 1, and simple interest 250. Now, second scenario. What is principal amount? 5,000, rate 5, but time is 2 years. That's why it is double. Earlier 250, now it is 500. Now I will go for the third scenario now. Same principal amount, rate, but time 3 years I have given. Now my interest is triple. 250 in first, 500 in second, and 750 in the third one. So I hope you have understood, yes, this topic. Now I'm going to work on goal seek. Now, see, assumption. My target is what? No, I don't want simple interest 250. I want to get it 5,000 as the simple interest. And I have to calculate how much time I should give so that my simple interest will become as 5,000. See. For that, again, I will select the range of cells. Now, what I have to do? I have to go for the goal seek, my dear. So I will go to the tools and click on goal seek. Now, students, where I use the formula, that the formula cell I should have. So I will click here. Here it is B5. It is already flashing there. Now, what is my target? 250 should not be. It should be 5,000 as simple interest. Now, if it will be 5,000, then where the changing? Because bank cannot give you. Okay, you are a special person, so I will give rate 29%. Yes, 10%. No, it is fixed for everyone. So only time will vary. It depends on the, yes, customer, my dear. So here the variable cell will be on time. I've selected. Now what the time I'm going to spend so that my simple interest will become as 5,000. See, my dear. After that, I will click on OK. Now here already it is showing there in the dialog box. You have to wait for 20 years. And you want this one should have effect in my seat, then click on yes. Now you see, you calculate, my dear. Yes, if you will have this principal amount for 20 years, yes, your simple interest will become as 5,000. See, actually bank is giving compound interest, okay? But I have given you the formula of simple interest to understand it. Same, you can go for the compound interest also. I hope you all have, yes, understood each and every topic of scenario and the goal seek. Thank you, my dear.